Howdy folks, here's yet another one. Another steampunk lamp that I built about 5 or 6 years ago. This is an unpolished Bolivar cigar box. Nice contrast to the other ones that you've seen. This one actually has some copper pipe fittings to act as where's my mind at? To act as vacuum tube sockets. They are also individually wired and lighted. So don't know how well you can see that. There's a red, there's a yellow. The one that's not lit used to be a green. I'm not sure what happened to that wiring. I'll have to take that apart and look at it. I made those real simple, you know, for when I did actually pack this up when I moved from LA. And those tubes do come out, and they're connected to Anderson power connectors. Very easy to plug and unplug. And so this circuit too for the appliances is a battery pack. I think I have a 3-pack of AA batteries and a resistor or 2 in line. Actually, there's a resistor in line for each vacuum tube because each color, as you know, produces a different, it requires a different voltage. What else are you looking at here? Some kind of funny looking. I have a couple different bulbs on here. I had some different ideas that could have actually gone farther, didn't actually go farther. Thought about putting a couple different shades on these 2 exposed bulbs. The one to the right is actually a screen with a manuscript on there, and the manuscript has old school calligraphy with scientific calculations, the kind you'd find in calculus or theoretical physics, things of that sort. And that in itself is a lamp. And so you do get a couple different bulbs there. They look terribly bright in the video. They're not, as you know, they tend to be intensified. The bigger bulb up in the top there is an actual, like, Edison bulb. That is a real bulb with filament in there. That is not LED. And so there you go. Nothing new, nothing special, but it's kind of cool. Just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching.